Gals in God's grace.
Hi, welcome back to our channel, or welcome if you are new. This is Amber and
Trisha.
Trisha's back. I'm so excited.
I'm so excited. I feel like it's been a long time, but it's really good to be back for sure.
It really has been a long time, and actually it's been a long time since we have seen you guys. We have missed you. We are so excited to be back recording a video for you. We got hit with some life stuff in the last couple weeks. For the long haul, we are committed to you. We love this. This is really where our heart is. We want to make videos for you guys. And this one is an extra special video. What is it, Trish?
This is the before and after of baby Edward being born. So before we go to the hospital and preparation of getting the house ready and getting everything ready for Allie, and then the process of being at the hospital, and then the after.
Trish is so sweet. She went up to visit her kids, and she started this before the birth process by cleaning house for her son and daughter-in-law. She is such a great cleaner, and she has such a giving heart. Look at her just working away at that bathtub.
Well, it wasn't, you know, a huge mess, but it was just nice to be able to get everything ready for Allie. She was exhausted and just needed to be resting, and so I wanted to really get in and get things clean for her. And I'm gonna try to get through this video without crying, but I'm telling you, this has just got the softest little place in my heart. This is my first grandson, and I should just let you know that he was born on my eldest son's birthday. So I have my firstborn son and my firstborn grandson sharing the same day, and that I just will be a forever beautiful thing that Joseph and Edward will be able to share for sure.
That is so neat. I just love that.
Yes.
That both your sons were able to share in a special day together.
Yep. It was really, really neat. And so here I'm just getting ours guest bathroom shower cleaned and prepared. Just wanted to really bless her and make sure that she could go into the hospital knowing that her place was all spotless. And oh my gosh, I don't know if you'll really be able to see exactly how she decorates. She has the most artistic touch. She's super talented. Just her decorating in general is amazing.
And you know, Allie's holding the camera in this video, and something that's really enjoyable that we've shared together is just that time together.
Yes.
One of us can be cleaning and the other person can be talking, and we could just be sharing in conversation, which I know you and Allie were sharing in conversation here in this moment. And it's just such a nice time to be able to, oh, wait, I think Eddie has something to say.
My mom is crazy.
Oh my gosh, I just love him. And I actually get to take credit for this. I have taught him everything that he knows. He keeps us laughing all the time. He's got this little skip hop that he does. Him and I are two of the same.
Two peas in a pod for sure.
Definitely two peas in a pod.
The apple does not fall far from the tree.
Nope, it sure doesn't. And Eddie, I would say, is probably the most like me in that sense, his little sense of humor. Although Katie has a pretty good sense of humor. And Joseph, I think he just kind of watches and is like, oh my gosh, is this really my family?
He's more of an old soul,
he
I would
is
say.
A super old soul. He's got this quiet spirit. He actually doesn't say much, but when he does talk, you really listen. I have 3 best kids ever.
You do. I think Eddie's the kind of child that is never going to grow up.
Yep.
Which is going to make for a great dad.
Yep, he sure is. I'm like, Allie, are you prepared for your other child? She's like, I don't know, Trish. I am just getting their master bathroom clean. I really wanted to make sure it was spotless for her. So when she went in, she could just relax and not have to think about any extra duties or chores that she had to do.
She could just focus on her little baby
That's
Edward.
right. And she did. Oh boy, that's a lot of booty shot. Whoa. I know we really try not to say booty, but it just comes out in every video. But those are some shots that I'm not proud of. But hey, I've been working on it, and I definitely can say that I've made progress. So
Trish, I would think that even right now as we speak, you probably have a little less booty than that.
Oh, I do.
Although booty is a good thing. I mean, honestly, I don't think you can ever have too much booty.
Oh, I guess so. Oh, I think my husband would probably love less booty, but hey,
my husband would love more. So
oh, well, there you go.
We should just do a little switcheroo.
Well, I can say that I all but spit shined her faucet and just made sure everything was really nice and clean for her.
Yeah, you definitely did.
And
You did a really great job.
she has such the sweetest spirit. I have gotten the most amazing cards from her, and she's just so grateful and
We're talking
thankful.
about Allie.
Allie, yes, back to Allie. She sent me the most beautiful card, focusing on all the things that she really appreciated. She's the best daughter-in-law ever.
That's so
I'm really
sweet.
grateful. Yeah.
And she has the best mother-in-law, clearly.
Oh,
Look at you
wonderful.
going to work.
Oh my gosh, I was busting a move.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in old conversations. Oh, 'cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken, 'cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. I was never the one to give up the ghost. No, I was so stuck. I kept on playing my part, wanting to give up 'cause nothing was changing. But with you it's so clear, and now that you're here I see colors in every spectrum. Guess I finally learned my lesson, 'cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. To myself, and I'm thinking out loud, we won't need nothing else for the rest of our time. And I know it so well, I will always be by your side. 'Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. All the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
Ready for the baby. And her hair all nice and curled. And we have the baby's room. Getting it ready. Well, actually all my clothes. We just took the bassinet. With the Suburban. He just packed the car. Here he comes. Look at him. So handsome. Ooh, Eddie. Eddie, you're so excited?
No, it can't be that way.
Why can't it be this way, Mom? Where are we going?
We're to the hospital.
Why are we going to the hospital?
We're gonna go meet Edward.
Who's Edward?
Edward the Fourth.
Oh, snap.
Snap, take my glasses off.
No, stop.
Boom, not a boom. Yay, and now we are finally on the way to the hospital. I'm so excited. So beautiful. The drive is beautiful, but I guess anywhere you are in Oregon for the most part is. And we're getting ready to park, and we're walking into the hospital. I can't even barely explain the anticipation and all the little jitters I was having as we were walking down the hallway and getting ready.
So was she in labor at this point?
No, she just arrived and they were going to start the inducing of her labor. And there on the board, you can see that the family members decided to place bets on the time, weight, and length of baby Edward.
Oh, that's what that was. You know what I thought it was?
What?
I thought it was what your weight was and what time you were born for each of the family members.
Oh, yeah, no. Okay, so here baby Edward's already born. And you can see that this is the 4 generations of
Edwards.
The Edwards. He is Edward the 4th, and that's his dad. And then there's my husband, Ed, and then my father-in-law, Ed. So it's Ed, Eddie, Frederick Eddie, and then baby Edward. And here is Eddie's blanket from when he was a baby. We had packed it away, and he got to open it up. And there's his beautiful wife, Allie, baby Edward's mother, my daughter-in-law. And Eddie and Allie as a couple. Oh my goodness. This is okay, now I'm gonna try not to cry. And baby Edward's little sonogram. Oh goodness. And Allie, she's so beautiful. This is in the very beginning. I think she was about 4 months pregnant. And then Eddie and Allie when I was there right before they were meeting Edward. And then Eddie celebrating pre-Edward's birth. Allie getting ready. Oh, she's so beautiful. And then Eddie's still celebrating. He took my phone and thought it was funny and did all these poses, and yeah. There they are on the way to the hospital. And then Allie getting ready to meet baby Edward. And then when she was laying in the bed, Eddie was reading some scripture out of the Bible to both of us. It was really special as he rubbed her feet. He doted and loved on her so much. And then, of course, my husband in the waiting room, patiently awaiting. And then afterwards, we were holding baby Edward. It was such a special moment. And then, of course, Joseph got to have his time, too. Uncle Joseph, they both shared the same birthday. And then his precious little newborn picture and his scrunchy little nose afterwards. Oh, that's the Zinda nose right there. And there's my husband holding him, and then the 4 generations of Eddies, and then my father-in-law, Eddie the First, or Edward the First, holding him. Then my McKenna Mary Marshall and my Avery Roser. They're my 2 cousins, and they came to visit and meet baby Edward. Allie walked in on baby Edward and Eddie sleeping together. It was really precious. And here's them in the hospital afterwards. It was really special.
The new family.
Yes, and then Grandma Susie, she had to have her moment. Allie and baby Edward, it was just very sweet. And him just laying in his little changing table. He's just so precious. I'm so grateful, for sure. Definitely have a lot to be thankful for. I'm a grandma.
What a sweet video. Congratulations.
Yes, thank you. And thank you so much for sharing this time with us in this moment. We appreciate it.
I'm so glad that you have this video to share with your family forever.
Absolutely.
Thank you all for watching.
Yes, until next time.
Bye.
Bye.